Okay, so you've seen the unboxings, you've seen all the pretty colors on Instagram, but what if I told you the Philips Hue Starter Kit isn't exactly what it seems? In this explainer, we're going to cut right through the marketing to uncover the hidden truth about what you're really buying into.
Now, that is a bold claim, right? But according to our source, it is absolutely on the money. The real cost and, honestly, the complexity of this whole system are hiding in plain sight. Let's break down exactly why that is. So yeah, forget the typical unboxing videos. We are cutting through all that marketing fluff to show you what it's actually like to live with these smart lights, day in and day out. The good, the bad, and the glitchy. And this really gets to the heart of it. There's this huge gap between what's promised on the box and the reality of using this system. And, it's something most reviews just completely gloss over. This slide just frames the whole conversation perfectly. On one side, you've got all the flashy features everybody talks about, but on the other, you have the question that actually matters. Does this thing work reliably every single day? So inside the starter kit, you get a few smart bulbs and, of course, the Hue bridge, the mandatory brain of the entire operation. And that little white box, it's not just some extra accessory. It's the key difference between Hue and its cheaper competitors, and it's a reason for both the frustrations and the incredible future potential of this system. All right, let's talk setup. Philips claims it's super easy, and for the most part, it is. But there's a catch. There's this one little hiccup that trips up a lot of new users right out of the gate. On paper, the setup looks like a total breeze. Our source confirms it should only take about 8 to 15 minutes to go from opening the box to having your first cool, smart lighting scene. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, here's that catch I mentioned. As you can see, a solid 30% of users report pairing delays on their first try. And let me tell you, that can be incredibly frustrating when you just want your new tech to work. Now, the fix is usually just a simple reboot, but you really shouldn't have to be troubleshooting a premium product on day one. And this little annoyance, it's the kind of thing that's almost always left out of those glossy, positive-only reviews. Okay, so you're all set up. Now what? What's it like to live with these lights every single day? Let's dive into the actual performance, the colors, and some of the software quirks that might just drive you a little bit crazy. Don't get me wrong, the color quality is fantastic. The range of whites is super smooth, but there is a trade-off. A basic, dumb LED bulb is often brighter. See, with Hue, you're paying for the experience and the control, not necessarily for raw, blinding brightness. And then there's the software. It's powerful for sure, but it's not perfect. Firmware updates can fail for no reason. The notifications are kind of inconsistent, and honestly, the app can feel a bit bloated if you just have a simple setup. These are kind of the daily paper cuts of living inside a closed ecosystem. But what if I told you that all those little annoyances, the mandatory bridge, the occasional software bug, what if they're the price you pay for something much, much bigger? Because there is a hidden feature coming that changes everything. So, what is it? What's this one feature that could justify the premium price and being locked into one system, the one thing that competitors just can't seem to touch? This is it. Hue Spatial Aware. We're not just talking about changing colors anymore. We're talking about the system actually understanding the 3D layout of your room to create truly intelligent contextual lighting. Just imagine your lights knowing where your couch is or where the art on your wall is and adjusting the light for it, all by themselves. And make no mistake, this is an absolute game changer. It's a huge leap from lights that you just control to a lighting system that truly understands its own environment. This is the future-proofing that Philips is betting the whole farm on. This table really breaks it all down. Hue clearly wins on color quality and smart scenes. But yeah, those cheaper options are tempting if you don't want a hub. But look, the crucial connection here is between hub required and ecosystem expandability. That hub is what enables this powerful, expandable system, and it's what you're paying for to get future features like spatial aware. But there are other costs to think about. You're locked into the Hue ecosystem. Prices have gone up recently, and this is really critical, you might even need to upgrade your bridge down the line to get access to the most advanced features, like spatial aware. So with all of that in mind, what is the final verdict? Is it a buy, a wait, or a hard pass? Let's break it down into a really clear, actionable recommendation based on what you actually need. And hey, to help you make that call, our source highlights 3 critical mistakes that new owners often make that can just sour the entire experience. Let's make sure you avoid them. First, always install the firmware updates. They really do fix those connectivity bugs. Second, remember that true automation is in the Hue app's routines. It's not just yelling voice commands. And finally, be really careful with enclosed light fixtures because that trapped heat can mess with the color performance.
So here's the bottom line, broken down into 2 simple paths. If you are serious about building a truly connected smart home and you see this as a long-term investment, our source says go for it, buy it. But if you just want to play around with some colored bulbs for fun, you should probably wait or just choose a cheaper alternative. It's really that simple.
And this quote really says it all. You're not just buying a few bulbs, you're investing in the foundation of a powerful and, hopefully, future-proof ecosystem. Which leaves us with one final question for you. Knowing about the setup hiccups, the app quirks, and that premium price tag is building the foundation for a truly intelligent home worth dealing with the complexities of today? That's the hidden truth of Philips Hue. And now,